Hey everybody, this is a different way of taking apart a pallet. I'm just doing an experiment. There's like dozens and dozens of different ways people would take apart pallets on the internet. I was watching saltyshellback, Oscar, the other day. He was using a screw attachment to his drill to take apart firewood, and it was taking apart the small pieces but not the big pieces too well. I was thinking that might be something interesting to try on a pallet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a jigsaw. Ideally, you would use a Skil saw, a circular saw. I'm going to use the jigsaw to trim off the edges, and then these parts that are left to this part of the pallet, I'll use the screw attachment to see about removing this piece of wood. That will work for both ends. For the centerpiece, I'll go to the other side and try to use the screw attachment to disassemble the centerpiece. That way I have long pieces and I'll be able to save these two pieces on both ends. The only part that will be destroyed will be the centerpiece. So we'll see what happens. Actually, it looks like for the centerpieces, I don't need to use the drill. I can just wiggle it and get it loose and use the hammer to pry it off. If you have a pry bar, it's going to work even better. So these pieces were able to be removed from the center bar without using the screw at all. And like I said, if you use a circular saw, you have a much straighter edges. Or I could have used a little speed square and would have made a lot smoother and straighter cut with the jigsaw. But I don't think I'll need the drill for the centerpiece. I was thinking I was going to have to take this part apart with a drill. The purpose of this video was to see how the drill would do in taking apart the wood, and really so far we haven't needed the drill. But let's go ahead and just use it on this little piece. I've been just using the hammer. It does a pretty good job. Let's work on this centerpiece, even though we don't have to. Let's see what it does. Oop. The flaw in the ointment. Well, your mileage may vary. I think I'm just better using the jigsaw and the hammer. Or a Skil saw or circular saw would be better. So that was my experiment with the drill. I don't think it's going to be as handy. Salty was doing a pretty good job on his little piece of firewood. But I think for taking apart the pallet, it has limited use. Right, that was just an experiment today. We'll see what's happening. Thanks for watching. And when it's all done, you're left with some really premium, top quality firewood. Uh, oh, and some rusty bent nails and assorted pieces of little scrap and sawdust. So it's certainly worth your time and effort. uh, I know this will probably feature prominently in your next project. You just need a piece of wood just like that. It's kind of hard to find at the lumber store. All right. Take care. See you out there.